The truth nobody tells you. Math doesn't make you dumb. The way you were taught math is what makes it feel hard. There's a cheat code most people never share. You can study math so fast and effectively that it feels like you're hacking your own brain. Grab a pen, drop the fear, and get ready to become the person who says, "Math? That's easy." You don't struggle because your brain is broken. You don't hate math. You hate feeling stuck. You hate spending hours on one question, forgetting formulas the next day, and feeling dumb during exams. Here's the real issue. Math is a skill, not a subject. Just like you wouldn't expect a six-pack without training, you can't expect math confidence without proper practice. Train it correctly, and you'll get better. Step 1 is the anti-overload rule. Focus on one topic per day. The biggest mistake is cramming multiple chapters at once. Spend the first 30 minutes understanding the concept by watching, reading, or taking notes. Use the next 45 minutes to practice basic problems. Finish with 30 minutes on harder examples. You don't study math, you train it in focused sessions. Small daily progress leads to massive results by exam time. Step 2 is active recall with spaced repetition. Your brain remembers better when it struggles to recall information. Close your notebook and try solving from memory. Then review the formula after attempting the problem. Revisit the same topic after 1 day, 3 days, and 7 days. This method makes math stick for months. Step 3 is the problem-solving pyramid. When you're stuck, start with example problems to understand the solution flow. Move to easy questions to build momentum, then medium problems to build stamina, and finally exam-level questions to lock in confidence. Jumping straight to hard problems causes burnout. Building up gradually leads to faster learning with less stress. Step 4 is the no procrastination timer. Math procrastination is real. Set a 10-minute timer and tell yourself you'll stop after that. Once your brain warms up, you'll want to continue. This momentum destroys procrastination before it starts. Step 5 is the daily 1-hour math routine. Spend 20 minutes reviewing concepts or formulas, 30 minutes solving problems, and 10 minutes reviewing past mistakes. One focused hour a day is enough to finish your syllabus quickly and actually remember it. This is your Math Power Hour. Step 6 is exam speed mode. Train under pressure so you don't freeze during exams. Do timed practice sessions weekly and solve full mock papers once a week. Track both accuracy and time. This pressure training helps you stay calm when others panic. Step 7 is the mindset shift. Winners don't say, "I'm bad at math." They say, "I'm improving every day." Mistakes are part of progress. Your identity drives your effort. Act like someone who is getting better at math and you will become that person. Every mistake is proof you're leveling up. You're not hopeless. You've just been untrained. With this blueprint, you can finish practice in half the time, get more questions right, and feel zero fear on exam day. Your future self will thank you for starting today.